doing well as we've entered into 2020. Today I'm bringing you a Dollar Tree craft with this cute little napkin holder. It's cute, well, just like it is, of course it is. But why don't we dress it up? And that's what we're gonna do here. This is a simple, easy craft. So if you just stay tuned, we will get to it and you will think, oh my gosh, I can really do all of this in such a simple, easy, and quick way. Also, if you're enjoying my channel, I ask you that you please subscribe. You can click the little button that's down below and there's a little bell that'll notify you every time I upload a video. And I would love to have you as part of my community. And as we go into 2020, we're just gonna do this crafting together. So let's get started on this craft. Okay, this is a super simple DIY and you could actually use any wood pieces. But these are available at the Dollar Tree right now. And you could use this for a party, or even if you just have a beautiful red, pink, and white decoration in your, if you're, like your decor in your kitchen and dining room. So anyway, basically you need one of these napkin holders from the Dollar Tree. Super easy and simple. Then you're going to need whatever decoration that you would like. I'm going to use this. This will actually make 2.5 napkin holders. So I'm going to choose 2 of these hearts, and then I'm going to remove them from the back with this tape and with this ribbon. So I'm just going to take them apart real quickly, and then we'll put them together. Okay, so for this DIY, I have 5 hearts to choose from for my napkin holder, and I actually have 2 napkin holders, so I'm going to go ahead and make 2. And then I'll show you that right here, 2 napkin holders, and I'm going to pick 2 hearts for each one. So I'm going to take the welcome and the XOXO for one, and then I'll just do 1 each of the hearts for the other one. Now, if you have glitter, now this is glitter from something else, but if you do have glitter that is getting everywhere, you can spray it with hairspray and that will seal it. Make sure you spray it kind of high up, about 8 to 10 inches probably away, and then just a light spray. If you get too close, it gets real liquidy and sticky. All right. So basically what I want to do is I want to take my napkin holder and I'm just going to glue the heart to the napkin holder where the metal meets the heart. Now, one thing you want to be careful of is how low you go. So you don't want to go lower, you want to be careful where you put your heart. And another thing also, if you do want to paint your napkin holder and you don't like this silver, you can paint it with spray paint. You may want some spray paint that has primer in it just to make sure that it sticks to it well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and mark my my heart where I'm going to put it. I want to make sure that it is even with the bottom, and I'm just going to use a pencil to do that. Okay, so basically I've marked where my E6000 glue should go, and I'm just going to squeeze it onto my wooden piece here. Again, you could use any wooden piece or any kind of decoration that you'd like to put on your napkin holder. Once you get your glue on your wooden piece, you're going to bring your napkin holder to the glue. Make sure that you have it in the placement that you want before it dries. And now you have a really cute little napkin holder. Now another way that you can put your glue on if you don't want to mark up like that is to take your E6000 and put it on your metal piece here, and then just kind of you can mark it with a Sharpie or something so that you know where your piece will fit, depending on the piece that you're using. And then just put your wooden piece or whatever you're decorating with onto your napkin holder. And then make sure that it fits the way that you want it to, and then set it aside to let it dry. And so this DIY right here is for 2 napkin holders, is $3 plus the E6000 glue. And if you have that, then you're set. And this is really cute to add to any party table or kitchen or dining table. So anyway, I will show you here in just a moment how they look after they have napkins in them. If you enjoyed this video, I appreciate you just subscribing and commenting. I love to hear your comments. I know this is a super easy craft, but you may not have thought about this DIY before. And I just hope you'll come back and have a great night.